Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into the shipping restriction for Magento 2. Lets you block methods based on cart, customer, or payment. Smart, simple, seamless. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcol.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, go to the admin panel and log in. After that, navigate to Stores, Configuration, Webcool. Under Webcool, you'll see Shipping Restriction. Click on it. In the Shipping Restriction configuration, the first option is Enabled. The admin can enable or disable this module by selecting Yes or No. I'm selecting Yes. The second option is Show Restrict Message. The admin can enable or disable the restriction message on the front end by selecting Yes or No. I'm selecting Yes. When enabled, an error message appears on the front end whenever a shipping method is restricted. After configuring these options, click Save Config to save the settings. Once saved, a success message will appear. Now go to Shipping Restrictions, Manage Rules. In the Manage Rules section, the admin can create different types of shipping restriction rules. I've already created 2. Now I'll show you how to create a new shipping restriction rule. Click Add New Rule. After clicking it, you'll see the Rule Information section. The first field is Rule Name. Enter the name of your shipping restriction rule. Next, provide a description for the rule. The next option is Active. The admin can activate or deactivate this restriction rule by toggling the switch between Yes or No. Then comes Customer Group. The admin can select which customer groups this rule applies to, such as Not Logged In, General, Wholesale, or Retailer. I'm selecting all of them. Next, select the store view to which the rule will apply. I'm selecting all store views. After that, choose the shipping methods you want to restrict. I'm selecting 2 shipping methods to restrict. The next option is Active for Admin, which determines whether the restriction also applies when an admin places an order. This can be enabled or disabled using the switch. I'm enabling it. Next is Restrict Message. Here you can enter the message that will appear on the front end when a shipping method is restricted. For example, this shipping method is not available for your location. Then there's Payment Method Restriction Message, where you can define the message shown for restricted payment methods on the front end. The next option is Priority. You can assign a priority to this rule. The higher the number, the lower the priority. I'm setting the priority to 1. After that, there's the Discount Coupon section. It includes 2 options: Apply Rule Only with and Do Not Apply Rule with the following conditions. These allow the admin to specify whether the rule applies only when certain conditions are met. Conditions can include product attribute combinations, product subselections, and cart attributes. I'm not selecting anything for this example. Next, there's the Conditions section, where you can set specific conditions for the rule. For example, based on subtotal, total item quantity, or total weight. Once you've defined the conditions, click Save to save the rule. After saving, the rule appears in the list. The admin can perform various actions on these rules, such as activate, deactivate, or delete. By clicking Deactivate, the rule status changes to inactive. Similarly, you can delete a rule by clicking Delete. I'm activating this rule, so its status shows as active, and both the name and description are visible. Now, let's see how this works on the front end. Go to the front end, then open a product and click Add to Cart. Next, click Proceed to Checkout. In the Shipping Address section, you'll see available shipping methods, such as free shipping and flat rate shipping. If the shipping restriction rule applies, a message appears. For example, can't ship this item. No shipping method is available for this product. For example, if we created a shipping restriction rule for the country India, and the shipping address country is set to India, then the free shipping method will not be available. But if we change the shipping country to Albania, then both free shipping and flat rate shipping become available. That's how the module works on the front end. Now, let's look at the admin side restriction. I've created a rule for the admin as well. Click Edit on that rule. The rule is active for admin, and the condition states that if the shipping country is India, then the table rate, best way, and free shipping methods are restricted. To test this, go to Sales, Orders, Create New Order, then select a seller. Add a product to the cart. The default address is set to India, so the free shipping method will not be available. If we change the country to another one, the shipping methods, free shipping, and flat rate become available. And that's everything about the Magento 2 shipping restriction module. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webcool.com or raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.